Hi guys, fantastic news. I set up the machine, did a video a couple of days ago about doing tension spring blanks, and of course, naturally, today customer rings up and wants a couple of hundred compression springs. So, got to change the manual, got to change the wire size, got to change the coding, redo the coding on the CNC controller. But here we are, and this is what we're up to. The toolmaker has all the specs to make the automatic wire feed and the automatic cutoff that I was talking about on the last video. But just for today, we're just feeding in some 1.4 wire over a smaller 8.5mm mandrel, and we shall go bang, go. You can't see it because it's on the other side, and we will pitch it out and make a little compression spring for today's customer. Compression blank is made. We shall cut it off there, and we shall go back and wait for a new setup. Okay, wire goes in and we're under the wire catch. So this is what we're looking for today. Trim, and of course you always trim the wire, the spring, where it comes in and closes on the next wire, right there. And into the oven we go. Well, into the box we go for now, but into the oven soon for stress relief. Everything has to be stress relieved. Let's hit our start button again because we're ready to go, and off we go. Start. I cannot wait for my automatic wire feed and my automatic cutoff. Then this machine, oh, I'm nearly out of wire, look at that. And this machine will be so perfect, and I shall be able to get it off this silly little bench here and make a commercial machine available for sale to anyone who wants to do this at home or in their factory or workshop for under 4,000 Australian dollars AUD, to make these sorts of compression springs, to make torsion springs, and also to make extension spring blanks. But with those blanks you need to be able to hook the ends somehow. But that's all I got for you tonight. Thank you very much.